We're going to take a closer look now at audio clips, starting with the process of analyzing audio clips in advance to speed up the process of working with audio files in Ableton Live. And we're going to start looking at the clip view, starting with the clip box. I have a folder here of audio clips, and you have access to the same folder. These loops are included with the course. I'm going to go ahead and select a loop. And as I preview the loop, you'll notice that on the bottom right corner of the icon next to the loop's name, a small check mark has appeared, and that check mark indicates that Ableton Live has analyzed this file. And what that means, it's made some decisions about the file type and about the file's tempo and what kind of file it is, whether it's a loop or a one-shot, that sort of thing. Now, every time you select a new loop and preview it, Ableton Live analyzes it and saves the analyzed information in a separate file. Now, this happens pretty quickly when you're working with small loops, but if you're working with larger loop files or larger files like a complete song, the process can take a little time. You can speed up this process by analyzing all of the loops in any folder. This is especially useful if you have a very large collection of loops in one folder. And the way you do this is that you control-click or right-click on a Windows computer, select Analyze Audio, and Live analyzes all of the audio files inside that folder. And you can see here that it's created an ASD file, a sample analysis file, for each of the files in my audio clips folder here. I'm going to drag this loop file onto an audio track, double click it to view the clip view. In the clip view, we can make all kinds of decisions and changes about things we want to do to our audio file and turn it into an audio clip. What I'm going to do now is show you some very basic stuff that we can do here in the clip box. First of all, we can rename our clip. Give it an easier name. We can change the color of our clip. We can change the time signature of our clip by clicking and dragging up or down. And we can add a swing feel to our clip. Let me show you this with a drum loop. Now here's my loop played back in its normal state. I'm going to choose Swing 8 from the Groove menu here, and I'm going to raise what's known as the global groove amount. And the global groove amount is a number between 1 and 99 that determines how much of a swing feel is added when I choose one of these groove settings in the clip box. And lowering it. So you can use the global groove amount to add a swing feel to any clip. All you have to do is select the clip and choose one of the groove types from the menu. So let's go back to straight here for this one and keep this in its default state. Any changes you make to an audio clip can be saved by clicking the Save button, and that saves the information in the analysis file. And once that information is saved, the next time you load the clip, all that information will be in place. For, in this case, the Swing 8 that I didn't change back, the new color, and the name Bass Synth, which has been given to the clip here. In the next movie, we will get even further into working with audio clips, including some of the really, truly amazing things that you can do with your audio files in Ableton Live.